ensure your relaxed style still feels chic on? This is one of the questions I received this week, and I am answering your colour and style questions. Hi, I'm Imogen Lamport from Inside Out Style. Today's first question comes from Lynn, who says, my challenge is distinguishing between my style and my lifestyle. My lifestyle is very casual. I'm retired, I play golf, walk the dog, and tend to live in relaxed, easy clothes. But wish sometimes this relaxed, easy style felt more chic. I'd like to be comfortable yet elegant. So you are not alone, and there's so many women who struggle with this because very relaxed clothing can feel a little bit on the sloppy side, can't it? So there are a few things to think about when we're thinking about how to make a relaxed lifestyle and relaxed style clothing feel more chic and more you. So part of this is to really understand what it is that you love. What does chic mean to you? What does stylish mean to you? And then start incorporating some of those elements into your style. Now, if your relaxed clothes are a bit sloppy, the fit may be the first thing to look at. You may want to think about, how do I get my clothes to fit better so that even though they are relaxed in style, the fit is spot on. You could also think about prints and patterns. So maybe you've gone to relax, but just gone for truly plain clothes rather than maybe something with a bit of detail or pattern. Now, when we're thinking about pattern is down to personality. So are you a florals person, a stripes person, animal print, abstract print, paisley, checks, you know, there's just, the list goes on, Hawaiian, you know, you name it, there are a million different prints, polka dots. So thinking about what are those sorts of elements. So even if you're wearing a plain t-shirt, maybe it's a t-shirt in a pattern rather than being completely plain, and therefore it's expressing a bit more of your personality and it feels more stylish to you. Of course, too, even if you're just wearing plain t-shirts or knitwear, rather than go for the really kind of cheap cotton ones that stretch out of shape really easily, think about going for the ones that have, you know, they're a little bit more stylish in their fabric. So it could be that they're made from bamboo, or it could be they have a element of something else, so they look a little bit more elevated. And even if you are in a relaxed lifestyle, I mean, I've got quite a lot of silk cotton sort of tops that look more stylish, but they are just as comfortable as, you know, a relaxed t-shirt. So these are things you could look for, is the kind of, what's the fabric? Is there any print or pattern? Are there any other design elements as well? So even in a t-shirt, we can have our blank, you know, very plain, you know, crew neck or V-neck t-shirt where there is no detail on it. Or maybe we can look for something that's like a t-shirt, but maybe it's got an interesting neckline, or maybe it's got a little bit of gathering somewhere. That creates a bit more interest or detail in it. So it's thinking about those things that just elevate it a little bit more. Then it's, how do I put the outfit together? So maybe I have left all accessories off. Maybe I need to add a few accessories. Could I add some fun earrings, a bracelet? And it can still be very, very practical and comfortable, but it just adds that little bit of extra style to your outfit as well. Think about, are you adding some accessories? It could just be a scarf. And, you know, so sometimes we can just elevate a relaxed outfit with some accessories. Another option could be to bring in a third piece. So if it's summer, it could be a really lightweight kimono, but it's in a beautiful fabric with a pattern, or maybe it's a jacket in winter. Now, it doesn't have to be a really stiff formal blazer, but it could be something in a ponte knit that still stretches, but is still truly comfortable. So there's lots of different ways we can think about elevating that relaxed style. And of course, shoes. We can have our chunky running, you know, going for a run sneakers, or we can have our more elevated, slightly more decorated dress sneakers that make a difference. So there are lots of different things we can think about when we are elevating our style while still being relaxed and comfortable. The thing is to figure out for you what version is the right version for you. What's going to make you feel more stylish, more chic in your outfits.